So we are from group 20 and today we are doing mixing fluid. So there are three main experiments that we are doing. The first one being the geometry of the impeller. So we change them throughout this experiment A, and the second one be with and without baffle. So this is a baffle, and we would like to observe what is the result with or without baffle. So the third one being with and without baffle, and also the effect on center and the side of the container. I think you just somehow
So the experiment will look like this. This one is at the middle part and 15 cm height. So after that,
the speed of the impeller is related to the power consumption needed in order to drive it. Based on the power consumption against speed, the higher the speed, the higher the power needed. We found that hub-mounted flat blade impeller is the best impeller to be used. This is because it produces axial motion and small vortex is produced when using hub-mounted flat blade compared to hub-mounted disc impeller and shrouded flat blade impeller. Therefore, the lesser the vortex, the better the mixing operations, because when the vortex is formed, it will lead to several undesirable effects, like causing the poor mixing between adjacent fluid layers as the impeller and fluid are moving at almost the same angular velocity. Besides that, the presence of vortex can also cause the air to easily enter the liquid. This is because the level of the liquid at the center of the tank can fall below the top of the impeller.
For the second experiment, we found that when the baffle is installed in the tank, it will disrupt the formation of vortex. Consequently, the fluid will mix perfectly because the baffle will promote flow patterns that lead to good mixing. Furthermore, baffle also create turbulence which can enhance mixing of the fluid.
For experiment C, based on our observation, the size of the vortex will be bigger when the impeller is positioned at 25 cm compared to 5 cm. This proves that the best position of the impeller is at 5 cm. This is due to when the tank with baffle and impeller positioned at the center and 5 cm from bottom of tank, it will produce the best mixing process. Contrary, when the impeller is at 25 cm from the bottom, which means it is nearer to the water surface, this will cause the air to easily enter and form the vortex. Moreover, the rate beats were distributed through the tank when the impeller is positioned at 5 cm.